Gentlemen of the press, we have just concluded an emergency Security Council meeting where we considered two pressing security issues. The first has to do with federal roads in Edo State, particularly the Benin, Auchi, Okpila road. As you are all aware, these roads, but that particular road is in such a state of disrepair that trucks and other vehicles can't just pass through that road anymore. Even the Ekpoma section. You're looking at a section just, before Auchi. You look at the section between, around Irua. The whole stretch of that road has gotten bad. You recall that in my Independence Day broadcast, I also made mention of these roads. It has gotten to a critical and an alarming situation where trucks have now been on sections of that road for up to a week and have not been able to move. This is now creating a national crisis. They're not able to get petrol or fuel products to other parts of the country, particularly the north. People carrying foodstuff, the foods are getting spoiled. Animals, the trucks conveying animals, we're losing those animals in those trucks and in that situation. The communities around that axis rightly have refused to allow these heavy trucks to pass through their community roads because these trucks are not designed for those roads. And their fear is that their roads will be destroyed just the way those federal roads have been destroyed. And they're protesting, and rightly so. So we just discussed with the security agencies to alert the security apparatus in the country that we have a national crisis in Edo and something needs to be done immediately. Otherwise, the foodstuff, fuel, and other goods cannot pass through that road, and scarcities are beginning to occur in those parts of the country. So that is what I call the security agencies to discuss, and that this information should be passed on to the relevant authorities. Why it is alarming is that I personally went through that road about 8 weeks ago, and I raised the same alarm to the relevant authority before the advent of the very heavy rains you saw in the last few weeks. And I'm surprised and really shocked that they didn't feel that it is important enough to do anything about these roads. So we have a national crisis, and federal authorities, please, for the sake of this country, let them come and help us in Edo State. And just help us by repairing their own roads. We need to undertake emergency palliative measures so that people and their goods can continue to move.